Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. You guys are Tiffany Silva, so she is back with us today. And in today's video, we're going to be doing some Ital Rasta food. Is it me I say?
The right way.
I've been to this place before, but they switched locations. I'm going to show you guys where exactly they are right now. It's called the Cheffingdon. I don't think I prefer over here as much because the other place was more natural feeling, like a real Rasta vibe. But I'm gonna try to find where it is. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where that is, and yeah. But tell me about your whole experience with Rasta food. Cause I know say you want to go vegan one day.
Yeah, I do.
Exactly.
I really do.
But what's the biggest issue with going vegan?
What's the biggest issue?
She's not gonna say it. Food expensive.
All right. Yeah, the food expensive, bud.
To go to become a vegan to get all the protein, it's expensive.
It is very expensive.
And you go gym.
I'm gonna go gym.
Exactly.
Very expensive.
But the video today is for all the people who are vegans on the channel and want to see food like this. So this one is for you guys. Alright, so just to give you guys a little idea, we are across some furniture land in between Queen's Prep School and what's that place called again? Camperdown
yeah.
Apartments, yeah. That's exactly where we are. Oh my gosh, alright. I'm gonna show off Tiffany outfits. Jesus.
Okay.
Hey.
So head to toe, we got the leggings, we got the
Tennis shoes, correct?
Yeah, we got the
top.
Bob Marley top. I've had this for 5 years now.
The quality is good.
Yeah.
It's actually
Best
a nice
thing I've ever
quality.
bought.
It's really nice.
So, wait, what yeah.
But I'm gonna drop Tiffany's handle. She's a model, so this is exactly something that she likes. Alright, let's go, Tiffany. Alright, so there. See that the Cheffingdon, we are here. Definitely a whole lot different, a lot more commercialized. The last place that it was at was more rootsy, as I said before. But anyway, I'm sure the food is just as good. We'll go check out the menu really quick. Tiff, what do you have exactly in mind to eat? Like, what are you thinking about?
Walk us to the board first.
Alright, so we're gonna check out the board and see what they have.
Alright, so what did you choose?
I don't remember, that was so long ago. I honestly don't remember.
What's this? Rastafari.
I have no clue.
What would I eat? No. No one of these rice.
A whole heap of options now.
Yeah, there's so much.
It's kind of tricky to choose from. I think I want something that maybe I might go with a lentil stew. Oh crap, they only have the items with the tick on it.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so we stopped here, we made our order just now. Everything came up to like $2,400. I'm a little bit disappointed, to be honest. The other one, the previous location, was way better. Way better, giving more of that vibe, that type of, isn't it, Ital Rasta kind of vibe, and you know, it was more open, but it is what it is. I think what I will do is to later on go to a real Rasta rootsy vibe place, and that's gonna be downtown Kingston. And my uncle himself, he watches the vlogs and he mentioned that place, so I'm gonna go down there and see if we can get some food as well. Hopefully it's like more of an open space. Here, yeah. What do you think about here though? Like, yeah. Well, I think the most important thing is the food.
Yeah, it is. I'm a love my belly.
boy. What did you get?
I got the curry chickpeas, black rice, and green plant. Yeah, that's what I got. Excited for that.
And
I've had black rice before.
I think I've had black rice once. So I got black rice, I got the barbecue tofu, sweet ripe plantains, and what else?
Oh yeah, I got the sour sauce juice.
I got the carrot juice. Yeah.
That should be good.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yo, one of the things I really hate when I go to order food is when I order plantains and then give me green plantain instead of rice.
Okay, no.
Yeah. It's like they say plantain and the thing is like I just think once I say plantain, it's right. And then give me like the green and I was like,
Oh, you don't eat green plantain?
I eat it but I don't like it as much, yeah.
You eat all of the plantain then? This is nice.
I like the black rice. It have a look.
Looks sexy.
Yeah, it does have a look. Yeah, at one point they used to do it in the calabash bowls. I'll drop the link to that video where we went to get some food from them with the calabash bowls. But of course, with the situation now, it's not as hygienic to do that anymore. So it's served in this. Oh, guys, yo. So that's curry chickpeas, black rice, green plantain, and some vegetables. Try it and let me know what I'm on.
Alright, let me try the black rice. It is so sticky.
Okay.
It is like white rice, but just color.
Okay, got you. What's the texture like? Is it a little bit more firm or
Softer.
softer?
Mhm.
Mad.
Softer. Let me try the chickpeas, the curry chickpeas. This is nice.
It smells good.
It's so good.
It's good.
Curry is so rich. Wow. Wow. Best combination.
The black rice with the curry. What I like about this place is that they give you the option to kind of build your plate. That's a vibe. So-called any plantain. Yo.
It's dry though.
I mean, try the juice. Let me see what I'm going for the juice. Let's see
So
what's
what's
popping
up,
with the
juice?
juice.
So what's up, juice?
So what's up, juice?
This is really refreshing.
Refreshing.
You can taste the ginger, the sour sop. It's really nice. It tastes healthy too.
Yes. Right.
This is really good.
Is there food make you dance? Yo, it's a vibes. So, I mean, you like vegan food. Is there any specific spot in Jamaica that you would probably recommend to like persons who are vegan or pescatarians that would like to try?
You know, I don't know. I'm looking myself.
Look into yourself and find out. So.
Yeah. You don't know?
I'm not so sure.
Well, this is one.
This is definitely one of the places.
This
for
is really
sure.
good though. I recommend this.
This place is really
The food
good.
is really
Facts.
good.
I mean, the location switch and all that, but it's really all about the food.
Yeah,
the food takes precedence over what the place might look like currently.
And the black rice tastes really good, like, you know. I just love it. The combination is really nice.
Anyway, me hungry, you know, so. Hungry. Alright, so I got barbecue, tofu, black rice, ripe, plantain, salad, and carrot juice. Oh. I won't lie, I don't know how I feel about tofu, but it looks beautiful. Like that whole barbecue glaze on it. Oh my gosh, looks so good. And then the black rice. All right, let me try that really quick. Yeah, the black rice have a type of feel to it, just even on the fork. It feels healthy. Try barbecue tofu. How many of you like tofu is gonna like it?
I don't like tofu.
I don't like tofu.
Seasoning.
But it tastes well cooked. Even though I'm not a fan, it tastes well cooked. Plantain. It's pretty good. I'm sure if you're a vegan, you are gonna be extra happy. Want to try the tofu?
Yeah. Very like tofu.
There's something about tofu that you can't really hide. A spongy flavor. Not a fan. Yeah.
I'm gonna have no words.
Can I try some of your chickpea?
This is because of curry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Because I guess because you can feel the protein from the peas already. Like I don't know, something about tofu that just feels like it was manufactured. I don't know.
Yeah, cheese like that.
But the curry chickpea is so good. But anyway, take him on for the team. Again, if you like tofu, I'm sure you're gonna like this.
Really used to wrap plantain with tofu.
You want some of my plan? Yeah, I don't. It's definitely not the restaurant. It's just tofu. I think if it could be prepared to more like a softer. I don't know. If you like tofu, drop in the comments.
You like chickpeas.
Chickpeas is bomb. That chickpeas is.
It's really good.
Thank you, Mama. I got some of your chickpea.
So dry.
Thank you.
The green one dry. And the normal dry.
The chickpea is
So nice.
so good.
That's still crazy.
Oh wow. It tastes like there's coconut milk in here maybe.
Yeah, it tastes that way.
It's rich. Oh wow. You're planting this sweet tomato. Got his carrot juice. It's good.
Carrot juice tastes good.
It's good. It's very refreshing. The ginger thing I going. It's really good. If you guys know any Ital restaurants that has an Ital vibe, like I like being in places that are chill, you know? Kind of natural and things. Drop in the comments and let me know. Maybe I can hit it up one day.
No tofu. No tofu.
Yeah, I don't think I'm ever going to do tofu a chance again. So, I was with Tiffany a while ago, right?
So maybe
I don't know if only me one alone see, but I always find the Empress them, ladies them with the locks, always
I
stick.
realize I have to fast more.
I walk with a cars.
That's here, it's on my age, and that's most everything I have.
You know, but
But it's hard, it's very hard.
it's hard.
you see,
You don't want the body them know.
I don't mind that skin tone. At least that way you can build up your body. Build up your body.
Yeah.
I have to continue watching.
But my virgin would say them fast 3 days a month, water fast every month.
Sure ain't planting.
And then you can do the water fast.
Oh, the food was really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah, the ska. Jamaican ska.
I feel full.
So the food was very filling. Yo, shout out to my shirt supplier for today's video. That's F Customs. I'm gonna drop the link to them. They're also on Instagram as well. But not gonna lie, the jersey is nice. Got it fully customized. If you guys want to get a jersey for yourself, definitely check them out. Yeah, overall the food was really good. I don't have any, qualms with the food. The food was really good. The only thing is that the atmosphere, like I said before. But regardless, I'm happy that they're still about and they still make quality vegan food. Anyway.
Yeah, the food makes up for where the venue is right now. I must say it's really good. It's really good. I feel very full, but not in a bad way. I feel really, I feel full in a healthy way. So it's a plus for me. I really enjoyed it.
Vibes, yeah. Tiffany made a really good point. It's a different kind of food. It's not like that full with crap. You know what I'm saying?
Feels so bad.
It's full with healthy stuff. But anyway, we are going to end this video here. My uncle, who's a subscriber and who watches the videos, yo, big up yourself, Uncle Khan, actually dropped some tips on a Rasta food place where him say hype down in downtown Kingston. So we're about to head there. If you want to see that video, make sure you check it out. Drop a like on the video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.